how to write best script for your YouTube videos. So hello guys, in this script video I will tell you how you guys can write best script for your YouTube videos using ChatGPT. So for that I will simply go to ChatGPT app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I will simply click on ChatGPT. Once you click on ChatGPT, you guys will simply click on new chat. Here on name chat, you guys will simply paste that prompt that are showing on screen. So I will simply paste it. So for example, here is my prompt. Now here it says on downside idea and story, also two brackets. So in these two brackets, they will write our script idea. So I will simply write it. After writing your story or idea in these two brackets, you simply click here. Once you click here, wait for some seconds. And you guys will see straightforward best script for your YouTube videos. You guys can copy it and paste it in your text-to-speech, or you guys can make best video on it. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.